is the sun, there is gonna be a flame. When there is a flame, someone's gonna get burned. But just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. Gotta get up and try, try, try. Laro ka lang po dyan, Sir Daryl. Gagawala ako ng activities for school. Because tomorrow I will go to school. And I will have a class. Legendary. Permafrost. Dito hindi masyado mainit, maganda yung panahon. So, ano ba tayo ngayon? Fifth day of April 2024. Pero yung weather dito okay naman. Kasi dito sa GC dito sa amin, nagko-complain, sabi daw mainit sa kanila. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Dito naman, so far, kaninang morning, lumabas naman ako. Hindi masyado mainit, sakto lang. And I think mas better siya compared sa winter. Kasi sobrang lamig talaga yung winter. Hindi ka na talaga makagalaw masyado. Yeah. Tapos, ano pa ba? Doesn't make you cry. Why do we fall in love so easy? Even when it's not right. All we just can buy. So, this one. Group 1 already finished. And then dito. Group 2 naman. Group 2, another activity. So, these are students' activities. So, group 2, para meron silang participation in the class. Each one of them. So, let's write here, group 2.
Para yung bukas.
Ano po? Ray-Ban po, Sir Daryl. Teacher Real. Teacher Daryl or Teacher Real. Teacher Real in short. But someone can call you Teacher Daryl. Alisin ko nga muna itong maliit na dinosaur. Paano tumalis? Maliit kasi dinosaur dito eh. Lapit na din makaabot sa 2,000 beans. The group 2. Group 2. Let's gawa ko ng Across. Nanto ko. Launch attack. One of the survivors this year, 2024. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15. Next we have the down, 1 to 14. Down. Down, 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 down. So this one down. Across. Across the river. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Tapos gawa tayo ng border. Post them I fed anchors to the sword. I anchors with donuts. Ako. Pera. Trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. There you go. So, yan. Yan na muna. Ako na nito.
Chong. Chong.
Ano ko dahil naka-live ako. Naka-screen record siya. Sana mag-ano ka na, Grandmaster. So, bumili ng marker.
Pagbibigyan ng marker.
Kasi meron dito, ay, hindi, sarado na pala yun. May 24 hours na shop dito na malapit. May bookstore siya sa likod. Doon ako nakakabili ng marker. Magaganda yung marker nila. Kaso sarado na ata. Bali na. Dapat pala kanina bumili ako, nakalimutan. Nung last Saturday, hindi ako nagpaganito. So, ngayon ako magpapaganito. Sabi ko na, nagprepara na sila, nagready na sila. In-expect pala nila. The camera captures of donor. Do you want to try again? Retry. Please wait again. Okay na. Okay din kasi ito for classroom management and at the same time na-enjoy nila ng mga students. Tapos, na-improve yung teamwork. So, aside from teamwork, yung motivation nila to learn more about vocabulary, then spelling, kasi actually yun, some of the students, they are slow when it comes to spelling. So, sometimes nagpapag-games ako. Stop ko na yung record.
records at